The Mediterranean diet, a healthy way of eating. Welcome to our video on the Mediterranean diet, a healthy and balanced way of eating that is not only delicious but also promotes overall well-being. Originating from the Mediterranean region, this diet has gained popularity worldwide for its numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the key principles of the Mediterranean diet, its health advantages, and practical tips on how to incorporate it into your lifestyle. 1. The basics of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet focuses on consuming predominantly plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It also includes moderate amounts of fish, poultry, dairy products, and eggs, while red meat and sweets are consumed in moderation. This way of eating is rich in nutrients, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. 2. Abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables. One of the pillars of the Mediterranean diet is the consumption of a wide variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health and protect against chronic diseases. Aim to include a colorful assortment of produce in your meals to reap their nutritional benefits. 3. Emphasis on whole grains and legumes. Whole grains and legumes are staples in the Mediterranean diet. They are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and plant-based proteins. Opt for whole grain bread, pasta, rice, and cereals, as well as legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and beans. These foods contribute to satiety, provide sustained energy, and support digestive health. 4. Healthy fats from olive oil and nuts. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes healthy fats, particularly olive oil and nuts. Olive oil is the primary source of added fat and provides monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Incorporate extra virgin olive oil into your cooking, dressings, and dips. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, offer additional healthy fats and protein. 5. Moderate consumption of fish and poultry. Fish and poultry are important protein sources in the Mediterranean diet. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including heart health and brain function. Enjoy fish and poultry in moderate portions, and choose grilled, baked, or roasted preparations over fried options. 6. Reducing red meat and sweets. The Mediterranean diet recommends limiting the consumption of red meat and sweets. Red meat is typically reserved for occasional consumption, while sweets are enjoyed in moderation. Reducing the intake of processed meats and sugary foods helps lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. 7. Enjoyment of meals and social connections. In addition to its nutritious components, the Mediterranean diet also emphasizes the enjoyment of meals and the importance of social connections. Sit down, savor your food, and eat mindfully. Share meals with family and friends whenever possible, as this fosters a positive relationship with food and enhances overall well-being. 8. Potential health benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has been associated with numerous health benefits. Research suggests that it can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, improve blood sugar control, promote weight management, and decrease the risk of certain cancers. Additionally, it is linked to better cognitive function and longevity. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet offers a holistic approach to healthy eating, focusing on fresh, whole foods, moderate portions of animal products, and healthy fats. By adopting this way of eating, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious flavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment if you like the video. Subscribe for more such videos.